The first step to solving this problem is to figure out how many plants were sold on Saturday and Sunday combined. So we want to add 20 plants that were sold on Saturday to 30 plants that were sold on Sunday to get 50 total plants. So to figure out how many customers bought those 50 plants, we're going to make an array, since that is the strategy we are practicing today. So I'm going to begin by drawing X's for plants, and I'm drawing 5 to represent one customer. There's another row of 5 plants that represents 2 customers. I'm at 10. And now I'm going to keep going until I get to 50. When I get to 50, I see that there are 10 customers that bought 5 plants each. Remember, those numbers on the left-hand side, those are not a part of my array. Those are just there to help me stay organized. So I want to erase those. So there is my array, and again, our answer is 10 customers. Now this makes sense because 5 times 10 is 50, or 50 divided by 5 is 10.